We don't need extravagant gym equipment to get a good workout. We may not even need to leave our home. Let us fit in some quick exercise into our day by simply stepping onto our stairs. Research shows that stair climbing strengthens and tones our leg muscles. It keeps our leg arteries flexible, allowing blood to move with no trouble. Even a 3-minute stroll up and down the stairs after a meal helps us immensely. A simple stroll up and down the stairs gives us an aerobic workout. Let us all step up our daily exercise routine with these simple stair exercises.